Hello friends, I am Dr. Neelima, senior gynecologist in our Neelima hospital. Neelima hospital is in Sanatnagar. We started this hospital 15 years back. When we started the idea of building the Neelima hospital, we are in very much concerned that all the norms should be covered and the hospital structure should be beautiful and it is patient friendly and doctor friendly. So we approached PR Constructions, that is owned by Mr. Rohit. So we had a discussion and we are very happy the way he conveyed how we will take care of the entire proceedings and everything. And it went on well within our budget, and we got the NIH accreditation also. Part of the success came from the building norms, which is accreditation done by Rohit. So we recommend PR Constructions and Rohit, who has done almost more than 100 hospitals designs in a perfect way. So all the best to Mr. Rohit, and I recommend him to any doctor for the hospital construction. Thank you.